Dear students of class 10, you are welcome in mathematics class by KK Singh Minerva Public School. Today we will study arithmetic progression. But before defining or going through it, first we have to consider some sequences. I have written here 4 sequences. Take 1 plus 2 plus 3. We see that two successive member of the sequence differ by 1. Here differ by 1. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6. Thus we see that two successive members of the sequence differ by 1. This one is common difference. In the second sequence we see that 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 2 11 and up to infinity. Here also see that two successive members or consecutive members differ by 2. Always this difference is none a common difference. Again third sequence 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 3 11, 11 plus 3 14, 14 plus 3 17 and so on. Here also see that two successive members differ by 3. Same difference which is called common difference. Next, last 10 minus 3 7, 7 minus 3 4, 4 minus 3 1, 1 minus 3 minus 2 minus 3 minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 minus 5 minus 3 minus 8 and so on. Here also see that each pair of successive member differ by same number minus 3. This minus 3 is common difference. Now take first example or second example and last example. List. First term equal to 3. Second term equal to 5. Third term equal to 7. Fourth term equal to 9. And so on. 3 equal to 3 plus 0. 5 equal to 3 plus 2. 7 equal to 3 plus 4. 9 equal to 3 plus 5. You can write 3 is equal to 3 plus 0, 5 is equal to 3 plus 2, 7 is equal to 3 plus 4 and 9 is equal to 3 plus 6. Why we have taken always 3 in the first step? Because the first term is 3. And I want to establish a relation to find the nth term, means fifth term, sixth term, any term, that is general term. Nth term is, suppose this is equal to 3 plus 0 means first term 1. First term 1. 1 minus 1 and common difference 1. Common difference 5 minus 3 say 2. 3 plus 0, 1 minus 1 0. 3 plus 0 into 2 0. 3 plus 0 means 3. Second term 3 plus second means 2. 2 minus 1, always subtract 1 into 2. What you will get? 1 into 2, 2 1 are 2 plus 3, you will get 5. 3 plus third term, 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1 into 2, you will get 2 into 2, 4, 4 plus 3, 7. Fourth term, 3 plus 4 minus 1 into 2, that is 3 into 3 to the 3 to the 6 plus 3, 9. In the same way, if we find nth term, we will get 3 plus n minus 1 into 2. If we take general term for A, general term for first term A and common difference D, then we can write it as, not as, Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 D, and this is the formula for the calculation of general term, that is nth term. Now take an example, how can you find it out? But before it, I am going to erase it. In the given sequence or progression, we see that two successive members differ by -3. Therefore, it is an arithmetic series or arithmetic progression. Here, first term A equal to 10. Common difference D is equal to, subtract 4 minus 7. 4 minus 7 equal to -3. And we have to find 6 terms, therefore n is equal to 6. Now Sn, Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 D, or T6 is equal to A 10 plus 6 minus 1 into D minus 3 equal to 10 plus 5 minus 3, 10 minus 15. Minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have got it. You have got it. This is the way you can find any general term by using this formula. Next we will study the sum of n terms of an arithmetic series in next video on next day. And I ask you to subscribe my channel and like my video, continue on the channel, complete your study. That's all. I will be always helpful to you. I will also make you understand in your own language or in your mother language or in Hindi, but in class when the school reopen.